So, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we will be solving the most popular question of the NEET code, and that is two sum. So, without any further ado, let's start with the solution. So, the question is given an array of integers num and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. So, let's understand the question first. So, assume we are given a list of integers that is 2, 7, 11, and 15, and we are given a target that is 9. So, we have to see what elements inside the integer sums up to the target. So in this case, the target is 9 and the list of integers is this. So the first and the second element sums up to the target 9. So we will return the output 0 and 1 because 0 is the position of the first element and 1 is the position of the second element. Similarly, here the list is 3, 2, and 4 and the target is 6. So here the element on the position 1 and element on the position 2 sums up to the target 6. So we will return the output 1 and 2. So similarly, here the list is 3 and 3 and the target is 6. So the element on the position 0 and 1 sums up to the target 6. And here it is given that there is exactly one solution in the list that sums up to the target. So we don't have to assume the possibility of if there are no solutions. So how can we do this in coding? So let's assume that the target we are given is 4 and the list we have is 2, 1, 5, and 3. So the most intuitive solution that you can come up with is that you will take a element inside the list and check its combination with the remaining elements and see if the sum of the remaining elements add up to 4. So here in this case, we will take 2 and see if 2 plus 1 is 4. If not, then 2 plus 5 is 4. No. So 2 plus 3 is 4. No. So if no element sums up to the target 4, then we will move to the next element. So the next element is 1, and we will see if 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. No, then we will see if 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Yes, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So we will return the output. 1 is on the position 1 and 3 is on the position 3. So we will return the output 1 and 3. Right? So notice here we didn't check the combination with the previous element, that is 2, because we have already assumed the sum of the combination of the 2 in the previous for loop, right? We will not assume that here, and we will just see the sum of next elements inside the list. So here in this, the time complexity is very much as the list has to iterate through every solution. So the time complexity here is big O of n square. So can we be more efficient than this solution? Yes, we can be. So for the second solution, we will take the same example as the first one, 2153 list, and the target will be 4. So here we will create a map. Map in a Dart is similar to list, but it can store a key value pair inside them. So we will create an empty map, and after that we will take the first element. So here in the first element, to get the target 4, you will be needing 4 minus 2, that is 2. So you will be needing another 2 to sum up to the target 4. So we will see if there is a 2 present in the map we created or not. So there is no 2 present in the map. So we will add this 2 in our map, and we will inside the index part we will write the position of the 2, that is 0. Then we will move to the next element, that is 1. So here we will see to get the target 4, we will be needing 4 minus 1, 3. So we will be needing a value 3 to sum up with 1 and get the target 4. So 3 is present in the list, but it is not present in the map. So for now, we will write 1 in the value and the position of 1, that is 1. And then after that, we will move to the next element, that is 5. So we will see how much 5 will need to sum up to 4. So that means 4 minus 5, but that is minus 1. So minus 1 is not present in the map. So we will write the value 5 and the position of the 5, that is 2. Now we will move to the last element, that is 3. So the same process, 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we'll see if 1 is present in the map or not. So yes, 1 is present here. So of we will return the output in the form of index of 1, that is 1, and the index of 3, that is 3. So the output will be 1 comma 3. So in both the cases output is 1 comma 3. So this is more efficient, and the time complexity here decreases to big O of n, and the space complexity also increases because map requires space in the memory. So space complexity will also be big O of n. So this is the second solution, and this solution is efficient as compared to the first one because we will have to iterate through the list only one time and we will get the desired output. So let's code this solution inside the dartpad. As usual, we will define the main function, the main, and let's leave it for now. Then we'll define a class solution, and inside that we will create a function that will return list of int. And let's name this function toSum, and which will expect two parameters, a list of integer and a list of integers num and an integer target. After that, we have to create a map that will store the numbers and their positions inside it. So let's create a map. It will be of type int, and let's name it field map equal to, it will be empty at start. So after that, we will define a for loop for int I is equal to 0. I is smaller than nums dot length and then I plus plus. Let int n is equal to nums I, and the difference which we will calculate is int diff is equal to target minus n. After that, we will check the difference is already present in the inside the map or not. So if trave map dot contains key, so it is an inbuilt function in Dart that checks if the map contains the key. And what key we are looking for? We are looking for diff. If it contains diff, then we will return the list which this function is returning, and that is trave map and the difference which is already present inside the map. This will return the index of the difference, and it cannot be null, so we add a exclamation mark there, and I, which is currently looping inside. And if it is not present, then we will add it to the map. So priv map n is equal to I. And after that, just for clarification, if this entire code is executed and if it does not find the solution, then we will return an empty list. Here we can add if no solution is found. So this is our entire code and the function that we'll be using. So let's define it in our main function. So inside our main function, first we will define the class solution is equal to solution. Right? After that, we will define the list of integers that we will be iterating through. So it will be nums is equal to, let's keep it 9, 7, 2, and 15. 9. And then we will have to define a target int that we are looking for. So int target is equal to, let's keep it 9. And after that, list of int result is equal to, we will call this function. So solution dot toSum and it expects list of nums and a target. After that, we will print the result. So this is our entire code. Let's see if this is working or not. And yes, we are getting 1 comma 2 because 7 plus 2 is 9. And we want two elements to add up to the value 9. So here 9 will not work because it is only one element. And if we change this to, let's say, 11, so it will change to 0 and 2 because 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So this is our entire code and hope you understood this. So let's take this. I'll meet you in the next video for this question.